So I had these new I hope that's clear. I had these new pouch setter tools made, 3D printer for the very large pouch in standard double valve action. This is 1 3/4 inch in diameter, and I just thought I'd show how these work. I'm using a vacuum source. It might be a little loud. It's an old vacuum pump that I'm using. I've got it set for approximately 8 inches of vacuum. I find that works really well. Here's what you do. You take the pouch, center it, and then you lightly touch it down. And you can see that it holds the pouch in exactly the right position. So that when you glue it in place, it'll be formed exactly the right way. You don't have to guess. That's it.